Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the first snow of the year, guys. It's coming down hard too. It's finna be snowing all day. Let's see what this is. We got $28, 1 mile shopping order at Sam's Club. I wonder how many items it is. Ooh, only 3 items? Yeah, we will definitely take that. So we're gonna head to Sam's Club, do a little bit of shopping. Let's look at these DoorDash orders. We got $14.25 for 10.3 miles. Did not take that one. That was the first order of the day right there. Then they sent me $12.75 for 13.5 miles. Mind you, like I said, it's snowing. Big old snowstorm came through the other day. You got the plows out. I'm actually about to get out of their way. Look at that big old mountain of snow right there. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. So yeah, we definitely trying to keep the miles low today. But they sending all trash orders, guys. Let me see what this order is that's coming in right now. Look at that, $9.50 for 14 miles, guys. Now, at least on this order right here, it's calling you down, so it's a lot of miles. It's highway miles, but still, I think it's still a really bad order for it to be snowing like this. Let's go ahead and decline that real quick. Let's go ahead and pause DoorDash since we got us a nice little Sam's Club shopping order. But yeah, they sent $12.75 for 13. We got $14 for 12 miles on that one. Then we got $6.75 for 6.3 miles. These orders have not been nice. I mean, they ain't got no peak pay. They ain't got nothing extra going on. This one was the first order I did of the day, $10.50 for 3 miles. These are the kinds of orders I'm trying to do. 3 to 1 miles to money ratio. It's snowing out here. We don't have any incentive, no peak pay. So I'm trying to make sure I'm getting profit on every single order. We got $9.75 for 7.4 miles after that, no sir. Then we got $11.75 for 6 miles. This one ain't a bad order, but they calling me to a different zone. I'm not down there, so we're not taking that. Then this one is an alcohol order. Honestly, if it wasn't snowing, this wouldn't be bad. But I'm not trying to do an order that's less than $10, to be honest with you, in the snow. Everything needs to be $10 or more. That's just my philosophy. So all these orders like this, $7.75 for 8.6, you know, upside down. We're not even gonna consider those at all. $4.75, 6.7 miles. Look at this, $3.50, 3.2 miles. We're not even gonna be considering orders like this on a day like today. Then if this order's taking you outside of your zone like this one, that's also gonna be a no-go. We're gonna head to Sam's Club, knock out this little order. Look at this, 4 PetSmart items and an item from Walgreens. That's too much for $12 and you gotta go 6 miles. And then here go that upside down McDonald's office. Sam's Club right over there. I'm about to head over there, get this shopping done. Look guys, when you out here and it's snowing, you gotta make sure that you increase your parameters. Don't be delivering to customers that don't value your time and tip you appropriately, because we all know the base pay usually ain't finna be worth it. But if you're dealing with customers that leave you a decent tip, that's how you make your money, guys. Now, it's still best to multi-app when you out here. That's always gonna be first and foremost. But you also wanna take into consideration which app is gonna give me the most opportunities. Walmart Spark, I thought was gonna be my go-to app for today. Here go Uber Eats going up. I thought Walmart Spark was gonna be my go-to app for today. But they had some system issues yesterday, which they usually do. And their system is not even up today, like at all. So I can't even do no Walmart Spark if I wanted to. The curbside system is down. And I should have known this was gonna be the case, because yesterday when I was doing Uber, I was getting a slew of Walmart Spark orders. And I took one, drove 20 minutes to a Walmart, waited for a full hour, and they canceled the order on me. So that should have been the writing on the wall right there. But today I think we're gonna be focusing on DoorDash primarily, because unless I'm getting shopping orders coming out of Sam's Club, it may not be too many opportunities for me as far as shopping pay go through the Walmart Spark app. But let me know what kind of orders you seeing on DoorDash. We just got our first snowstorm of the year over here in the Midwest, and people was out shopping like crazy. And now everybody's sitting at home, so this is my time to get out here and make this money. So we got 4 of these, some chicken, and what else did I get? 2 of these right here, easy shopping. Now we finna go check out. Next up, we got $5 for 1.7 miles at Chipotle. Chipotle is actually right over there too, and I'm still not taking it. I'm posted up at Quick Trip. I'm not taking orders less than $10 when it's out here snowing like this. I gotta park up under something just to let my windshield defrost for a minute. Let me show you a few of these orders they sent me while I was waiting to get my next one. You know what? Scratch that. Let's go ahead and slide over here and grab this one, because this is gonna be $8.75 for less than a mile when I get over there. I was just thinking about heading over there too, because that McDonald's is still actually running. Let's go ahead and snatch this one up. $8.75, less than a mile. Control the mic. I can control my camera wirelessly if the microphone is hooked up. That's freaking awesome. Okay, so we made it over here to Edley's. I'm gonna go in here and check on this order in a second. But look at this, man. Taco Bell, 9.6 miles. Absolutely crazy. We is not taking no orders like that. We still got a minute or two until this order is ready. So we're gonna have a look at some of these other orders they sent me that I also did not accept. I don't even remember what the last order was that we left off on, but let's see if I can remember. I think it was at $9.50 for 14 miles. Look at this Uber order. We got $40 for 19 miles. And while that's not a horrible offer, it's not bad. In these weather conditions, I'm not trying to drive 20 miles. So we declined that one. And then we got $13.50 for 9 miles. Yeah, right. Look, we got another one coming in right now. $10.06 for 13.4 miles. Don't do 13-mile trips when you're inside of a snowstorm. Really, if you don't know how to drive in the snow, just stay home and be safe. But definitely don't be driving 10 miles away. Then we did, look at this, $17.25 for 18 miles. Yeah, that's not happening. We declined that as well. It looks like we got an Uber coming in, $15.23 for 11.7. So as you can see, customers not trying to leave. The orders are out there. But again, make sure you be safe and make sure the orders are worth your time. And none of these orders I'm showing you, they have no zone exit pay. It's literally in a blizzard right now. We got no peak pay. Look at that, $7.75 for 5 miles. While this order is only $8 and I said I'm not doing nothing less than 10, the pickup and the drop off for this order is super close. When it's this far away, then it's not profitable. These customers need to be making sure these orders is $10 if they want to get food from this far away. We declined that one. And then of course, upside down orders are also getting declined immediately. I'm not tripping off all these ASAP orders that's coming through on Spark. If it ain't a round robin, I'm not even wasting my time looking at it. Then I would not call this a bad order if it wasn't snowing. But in the snow, $6.50 for 2.8, that just ain't gonna cut it for me right there. And as you can see, even as I'm sitting here going through these orders, which are all horrible, I'm getting orders. So that lets you know it's lots of hungry customers out here who ain't trying to brave these treacherous conditions on their own. And I get it, but at the same time, listen, look, 17 for 17, if it ain't no dashers all the way up there, you're gonna have to pay me double the mileage if you want me to come up there and get it. And really, with these weather conditions, double ain't enough. I'm looking at triple or quadruple, because if you want me to go 17 miles in the snow and then I got to drive 17 miles back, might as well call that a $50 McDonald's order, because that's what I'm gonna need to do this. And I know they're not paying that. And then look at this, you got double orders coming in for $11 in the snow. Absolutely crazy. Don't take orders like this, guys. Take orders that make sense, because that's the only way you're gonna make money. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, we good to go. I got the order. Bada bing, bada boom. It's coming down. When I say it's coming down, it's coming down. Let's go ahead and get this confirmation picture so we can see the mileage. We got the picture. Oh yeah, this DJI microphone is my jam. I didn't even know that it got a button on the side to where I can start and stop my recording. That is so awesome. All right, let's see. Hand to me. We going less than a mile away. We're going to the next parking lot over. Oh yeah, it don't get no easier than this. Talk about going to the next parking lot over. We have went over one street. I think, yeah, we going to this little daycare for sure. Yeah, this was a great little order right here, even with the snowy condition. Okay, so it's going to this building right here. Perfect. Let's drop that order off, guys. $8.75 turned into $12. $8.75 turned into $12. Those the kinds of customers that we need right there when it's snowing like this. But them ain't the customers we need. Let's see what come in next. So we did a $28 order, a $10.50 order, $7.25 for 6 miles at Dairy Queen. So yeah, we did a $28 order, we did a $10 order, and now we just got a $12 order. So what, that put us at $50. And we've been out for an hour and a half, not bad. In the snow, that's how it should be though. Let's go ahead and decline this one. Let's make sure our defroster's on, and let's head on back, see what come in next. Okay, now I like this one a lot better. We got $9.25 for 5.8, but look, it's at the other McDonald's over there by Chick-fil-A. So we will take that one, $9.25 for 5.8. That's a good tipping customer. That's just like this order if you really think about it. This order got a chance to go up, so I don't mind delivering to this customer. $10, close to $10, or something with the chance of being higher than $10 is the goal when we out here in these conditions. Man, we pulling up to McDonald's right now. Tell me why these folks done ordered a large Coke and a large high C, and that's literally it. I wonder if this one's gonna be drive-through pickup as well. That's absolutely crazy. Listen, it don't make me no difference. They could order as few drinks as they want. You about to get these drinks for the amount of money you tipping. Hey, I can't even argue with it. But I don't know if these traffic lights is gonna change, because with all this snow, it might be messing up the sensors. But we gonna see. We pulling up now though. Yep. Oh no. They say they closed. Hold up. Is they closed? Yeah. Due to weather conditions, we are closed. 1-5. Yep, they closed today. But then it also say open at 7 a.m. and drive through only. So no, I think they just closed. Oh yeah, the pickup time is 12:42. So we finna have to go. No employee cannot enter store. Take a photo. Alright. So it wants us to take a photo of this sign right here. Due to weather conditions, the store is closed on the 1-5. The other McDonald's was open, but I guess this one must be closed. But they did say that they was gonna be possibly closing. The other McDonald's, when I picked up that first order, they said they was gonna be possibly closing. So probably between that time and now, they might have closed too. But I'm definitely not finna be marking stores as closed too much, because, you know, I ain't trying to have no issues. We got $4.62 in half pay. And we just got a steak and shake order, $8.75 for 7.5 miles. No, sir, ski. We will not be doing that. Let's decline that. Yes, sir. We will not be coming back to Mickey D's. Let me get out of this snowplow's way, though, because I'm in his way. All right, guys. I think I'm going to have to call it quits on this one. This little clip just broke off of my windshield. And while it does still work, as you can see, that first one is wobbly. I'm finna need a new windshield wiper, because this snow and ice then broke my windshield wiper. We made 50 bucks on DoorDash. Spark is not sending me no more offers. Let's go ahead and just end this dash. Lots of places is closed. Chick-fil-A ain't open. Chipotle ain't open. All my major banger places ain't even open. You see, it's so busy, they just letting me dash now right away. So that lets you know right there I could be doing something better with my time. And I can't be out here with a broken windshield, so I gotta call it quits right here. But we did good though to make 50 bucks in an hour and a half and these weather conditions. Let me know how you doing out there on DoorDash and all your other apps as well. And I'll see you in the next video. I gotta go home.